Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I am going to resolve WhatsApp verification code not received on Android. So, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix WhatsApp verification code not received with 7 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your WhatsApp app and device. Since you are unable to receive verification code in WhatsApp, the first thing you need to do is relaunching the WhatsApp app. So, give a fresh start to your app and see if that can fix the issue or not. Besides relaunching the app, you can also restart your Android device. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp app cache and data. WhatsApp app cache can occasionally cause issues with performance, including WhatsApp verification code not received problem. Once you should clear cache and data of the app to fix it. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps, and find the WhatsApp. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 3. Check the phone number. Make sure that you've entered your phone number correctly. You can open WhatsApp and start the sign-in process again. Then, make sure that you've selected the correct country code for your phone. Re-enter your phone number carefully and ensure there are no typos. Solution 4. Check your internet connection. If your internet speed is extremely low, there's a chance that you cannot receive the verification code in WhatsApp. Thus, to fix any kind of network-related issues on your device, try some basic tips like turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. Solution 5. Update WhatsApp app. Sometimes an outdated version of WhatsApp app can cause different issues, including verification code not received. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. In order to do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the WhatsApp app and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the WhatsApp app to check for the error. Solution 6. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp app. It's possible that the WhatsApp app you are using contains some issues or bugs due to which you're facing WhatsApp verification code not received. Uninstalling and reinstalling the app could work for you. To uninstall app, find the WhatsApp app on your device's home screen. Then, long press on it, and tap on Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install WhatsApp app. Go to Google Play Store, and type WhatsApp in search box. Click on WhatsApp and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Now open the app, set up your account and see if the problem is solved or not. Solution 7. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve WhatsApp keeps crashing or freezing issue, then use the Android Repair Tool. It can fix many app-related errors and issues on Android, such as the Snapchat keeps crashing, black or blue screen of death error, and more. So, if you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing WhatsApp verification code not received on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.